is each apparatus and the use of each apparatus and the process, right? No.
Indicator, we are going to use methyl orange and phenolphthalein, right?
Oh. Why are we using a white tile first of all?
So that we can identify the color change very clearly.
Yes.
Beautifully.
So it's there, ne?
Other,
yes. It was adding only 3 drops. Tamesh, can you come here? Right. Come on, last warning. Yes. 3 drops of why are we adding 3 drops of indicator? What is the reason?
To check the color change.
Why can't we add about 5 milliliters, 2 milliliters, 3 milliliters like that?
The indicator start to react. No. It will start to.
Indicators usually weak acids.
So,
right? Therefore, it's a acid. So we'll give the wrong values if you're going to use more than 3 drops. Now, if you have acid in the continental flask, so you're adding another acid to the continental flask, so the concentration will changes. Okay, only few drops. So only 2 to 3 drops. It was then fuel the burette so that the space between the tap and tip is full. What is that? Tap and tip.
Tap means the tap. Opening tap.
Maintain tap. So where's the tip then?
Tip is that.
Okay. So this is the tap and this is the tip. Practically, usually when you are filling the burette, right? You must fill this or not. May part take. Yes.
We should fill.
Yes, you must fill. The burette reading include this value as well. So there's unfortunate thing happened. I kept the key at home and came. Therefore, very sorry. Heartbreaking moment. Just if let's see, this is the burette. Okay. You can fill up, you can close the tap and fill. Let's say this is the 50 mark. You have to add more water than that, more water. The solution. Because then you have to open the tap and make it full and then close. Then it won't. You can make it to 50 exactly and you can close it.
If you take a pipe and put water and close the top, it don't leak from the water.
Yes. Yes.
You know why that happens? Yeah.
50
it flows down because air flows in from the top. If you stop the air.
That's the reason to filling.
It's because like diffusion mode.
It must say then the next one, set up the burette with its tip inside the neck of the flask. Right? It means tip should be inside the
Flask.
Neck of the conical flask. Otherwise,
It will leak.
acid still drips outside. Then they can.
That is this portion.
Yeah, the මෙහෙම conical flask is there, right? It may go here, rarely comes here even.
Yes.
To avoid that, you have to put the.
But the person who is holding is sometimes parking.
යන්න බෑනේ ඉතින්. ඊට පස්සේ කවුරු හරි ෆෑන් එකක් දාලා තිබ්බත් එහා පැත්තේ. Record the අන්න ඊළඟට very important point. Record the burette reading to nearest 0.05 using the light background. Again, you can use white paper behind that. Mercury bulb, maybe just white paper or whatever you can use it. එතකොට remember, burette can read up to 2 decimal points. Burette can read 20.00. When you are writing a burette reading also, you are writing this manner. 20.05 and 20.10. Can burette read 20.03? Hands up who are saying yes. Can? Alia? Ashen? Gavisha? Sinan? Senuri? Can or can't? Can.
It's 5 to 5, right? 0.05.
Oh, make it you can't read. And if you're going to write this, that's wrong. Right? 5 to 5 only. 0.05 only. Pipette it depends. Pipette
Then what?
Nothing.
Right. Remember, our burette cannot measure any value between these two. Harida, if you write something in between, then
Which operator is the smallest study?
that means තව තියෙන micro pipettes are there, no? They can go with that. It was then you are adding sulfuric acid from the burette steadily. මෙතන කියලා නැහැ මේගොල්ලෝ wash කරන විදිය. I have to explain you how we are going to wash the burette, right? Yes, Sonali, how are you going to wash the burette? වතුර දානවා. That's the burette. Is that so?
No.
Then
You put deionized water.
okay. Let's say I want to fill sulfuric acid to burette. What are the steps?
You need to put deionized water. Okay. As you did for the acid.
එච්චරයි.
Then again rinse it.
කොහොමද DNS වලට rinse කරන්නේ? අපි කියමු I'll take this one as burette. මොන burette එකද?
දාලා ආයේ burette එකේ වතුර ටික මේ නීරට දාන්න.
මොකද කරන්නේ? කොහොමද ගන්නේ? මෙන්න burette එක තියෙන then
Wait. No. That doesn't apply here.
tap එක වතුර දානවා.
නෑ.
then
සුට්ට දාන්න.
කොහොමද දාන්නේ මේක? දැන් මේ tap එක වහනවාද? මොකද කරන්නේ?
හරිද?
දැන් වතුර නිකන් යනවා දාන්න ටික.
නෑ. එහෙනම් ගන්න උනා tap එක වහලා.
Why the pipette?
No, pipette ගන්න නෑ. burette එක wash කරන්න. You need wash bottle. Take the wash bottle. Close the tap. Hariද? Add some amount of deionized water.
The tip powder no.
දින්නේ දාන්නේ from the top. ඊට පස්සේ දැන් කොහොමද මේක මේ ඇඟිල්ලෙන් අල්ලලා? Is that so?
No. ඇඟිල්ලෙන් අල්ලලා එහෙම කරාම හෙලෙන්නේ
නේද? මේක හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න. You have to make it slant and then you have to wash it. මෙන්න මෙතන wash කරන්න.
Circle. Rotate.
එන්නද?
Revolve.
එහෙම කරා දැන් එන්න ඊළඟ දවසේ මම කරලා පෙන්නන්න එක.
Washing machine.
then
why not it was when we shake?
එහෙම යන්නේ නැහැ බං. It's very long no. long distance. හරි. හරි ඊට පස්සේ ඊළඟට මම කියලා දෙන්නම් මොකද බෑ කියලා ඊළඟ reset then open the tap and you can remove. ඊට පස්සේ then you have to wash with the acid. acid දාලා ඒ විදිහටම චුට්ටක් දාලා දැන් මොකද කරන්නේ? දැන් මොකද වෙන්නේ? අත ඉවරන්නේ. Your hand left back. No. Therefore, even from the acid, you have to do the same thing and open the tap and let it go. That's how we wash it. It was how you have to feel it. Huh? Oh.
Washing machine දාන්නේ.
No, I asked why something is very.
ගඟට ගිහිල්ලා කලින් ගහනවා.
Sorry.
From the washing machine.
from the washboard live ඔක්කොම හේදෙන්නේ නැහැ නේ fully. That's the reason. මොකක්? Have you ever seen a burette? දැක්කට පස්සේ ඒක we'll understand. It's like this much no මේ මෙච්චරක් විතර නේ මේ කැමරා එකට පේන්නේ නැහැ. එතකොට එහෙනම් ශනිල්ල මෙහෙම අල්ලන්න කියලා උඹලා මෙහෙම ඔල්ලන්න ඕනේ ටික. Luckily you don't have practical exams to do. Unlike Cambridge. They have to do A levels. Then you are adding from the burette steadily at first, and then when the indicators start to change color, you can slow down the process, right? And then you can add dropwise until indicator change its color. While you're adding, you have to swirl the flask. Swirl the flask. You can the cortical process in order to mix. It does say you have to draw it out, and you have to add a fresh sample again, and you have to repeat the
process
titration. Yes. And you have to obtain the concordant results.
Yes.
Now, what are the concordant results?
0.25 between 0.2.
Remember, concordant results are within 0.2 range.
0.2.
Yes.
Not 0.25.
හැබැයි 0.2 නෙමෙයි දැන් A level වලට දෙක පොඩ වෙනස් කරලා 0.1 කියලා තියෙනවා. Therefore, be careful. That means 19.85, 19.75, 19.60. Then, which two are concordant?
All together.
No.
Previous plus 2.
Within 0.1 range. ඒක ඉතින් දීලා තියෙන values ටික දිහා බලන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලා. Right. Right. Moving on. Yes, next one. Indicator color in alkali and color in acid and acid base combination. So we are in unit 2 and group 2 and 7. They are the last topic, standard solution and titration. So, එතකොට next week result එද්දී අපි topic දෙකක් ඉවරයි.
අමාරු ස්පීඩ් අප් ගානේ ඒ වල කරන්න දෙවි නෑ
Right.
වල කරන්න අයිල කරන්න.
Okay, Williamo, first one, methyl orange. Our phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein. How to spell phenolphthalein?
PHENO.
Phenolphthalein.
PHALI. Should be like any color.
Phenolphthalein. මටත් පැටලුණා වගේ නම. බඩ බලන්න. එනවා. අයි එනවා. It will. It is. ඉක්මනට ගන්න. Methyl orange.
එනවා.
ඒක තමයි PHENOL ඒක තමයි හරි මං ලියවන්න ගියා හරි PH එක තමයි phenol phenolphthalein මොනවා හරි කියලා ලියාගෙන ගමන්නේ
phenolphthalein
alkaline color of phenolphthalein is pink. Acid color is colorless. Methyl orange, alkaline color, yellow.
What is it?
Acid color is red.
What is it? Yes.
Oh, colorless.
Ah.
Colorless.
Then acid base combination.
Acid base combination කියන්නේ මේකයි. Right. Colorless. Acid base combination can be suitable titration.
Then color is
Strong acids versus
yellow should come to the color in acid.
alkali.
Starting naturally. I'm like that.
Strong acid, strong base titration you can use, and weak acid versus strong base titrations you can use phenolphthalein. එතකොට methyl orange, strong acids, strong bases,
Same thing. South Africa.
and strong acids versus weak base.
Ini එකම දේ.
වෙනස් වෙනස්.
Abi. So, strong bases. Right? Why is it VSD? Versus. Yeah. Yes. Weak acid versus strong base. Strong acid. Versus strong base, weak base. Strong acid.
හරි.
I'll join the class.
එපා එපා. ඇයි? ඊට පස්සේ some example for strong acid. Shall I erase this? No? උදේ දැක්කනේ අර මුතුගල සර් ඇක්සිඩන්ට් එක. එයා හැපිලා. මට ඒක දැකපුවා මා මතක් වුණා ලාස්ට් වීක් එකේ. Right? I came in the same highway today even.
You said you would.
අද වෙලා කියද්දී.
Expressway. Yes.
So strong acids examples. H2SO4, ඊට පස්සේ HNO3 and HCl.
That is strong acids.
Strong bases are NaOH and KOH. So as a weak acid, you can consider ethanoic acid. Weak base is ammonia. So only weak base that you should know. Only weak base. Sorry. Is one of the weak base.
Weak acid. Weak base.
Finish. Shall I move?
Yes.
Right. Okay, let's answer these two questions.
No, sir, I need.
So in the basket. In the basket. No. I am trying to
Answer this question. එපා කෙනෙක් කරනවා ලියන්න උත්තර බලන්න. You can see.
1 2 3. I mean මේක මදීනා.
හරි ඉතින් ලියන්නේ ඒක තමයි. ඒවල පොත තියෙනවනේ.
Yes, sir. I consider The student does not fill the burette space between the tap and the tip. In the titration. Between the effect.
Explain the effect, please.
You. Iya, butter garlic, butter garlic itu. Iya. Yeah, that's a good idea. Good idea. I'm scared to do. That will fix it like this. The guy next to him. Driving. Driving. Yeah, I missed your second one. With your half. With your half. Other half. David. That guy is exactly like this guy. But the thing is, that guy is having a big eyes. Not like this way. He's open and he's big. And you are at his color. He's straight. Yeah, that is good. English. They have given about the tap and decrease. Really? It's like.
Student does not fill the burette space between the tap and the tip. Explain the effect of this mistake. What will happen to the valve?
It will change. It changes. It will decrease. Volume may decrease.
Volume will decrease the increase. Think.
Added volume will increase.
Huh?
Wait, no. Like you are saying the full volume.
Yeah, it will decrease.
Yeah, added volume will decrease. The main volume will increase. Not increase.
What is it?
Yeah, there is also increase.
Okay, and added volume will increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Added volume will increase.
Why how? I think it's a fill in name.
ඒක තමයි. එතකොට දැන් burette එකේ අපි කියමුකෝ මෙහෙම. right burette එකේ මොකද තියෙන sorry මේක ඇඳ ගන්න බෑ මට. but somehow දැන් මේක fill වෙලා නැහැ. අපි කියමු මෙතන 20 පෙන්නන්නේ කියලා 20 පෙන්නන්නේ මේ කැලලත් එක්ක. හරිද? එතකොට exact ඔව් ඒ කැලලත් එක තමයි කිව්වේ. එතකොට you have to add more. අය අර කැලල fill වෙලා නැහැ නේ.
So that is
yes, so the titer value will increase. තේරෙනවද? So the titer value will increase.
I thought that it.
තව වැඩිපුර add කරන්න.
Yeah, වැඩිපුර add කරන්න.
add කරන්න. හැබැයි ඇත්තටම ඕනේ නැහැ. නමුත් ඊට වඩා වැඩිපුර add කරන්න
I
ඕනේ.
thought that you will attend to 20 so that the body will.
Yeah, so with the tips, it is 20. With the tip is 20.
Yes.
Tip එක නැත්තම් හරිද? දැන් මම හිතන්නේ tip එක නැතුව
ඔව්.
නිකන් fill කරනවා කියලා ඉස්සර fill කරනවා. ඒතර decrease එකක් වෙන්නේ.
ඒ කියන්නේ හරි ටිප් එක නැතුව 20 fill කරා කියන්නේ අඩු වෙන්නේ fill කරලා තියෙන්නේ.
ඔව් අඩුයි fill.
So
you are saying the used one.
yes. එතකොට අපිට we have to add more. එතකොට අපි read කරනවා වැඩිපුර. තේරුණාද?
Yes.
So what's the meaning of titer value?
Titer means the burette reading.
Okay.
Explain the effect.
Added volume will increase.
අපි කෙලින්ම ලියමු titer value will increase.
Who's that?
We'll see. Okay. I'll repeat again. මම burette එක මෙහෙම මඳින්නම්. හරිද? So let's say now this is the tap, and let's say the reading the volume you fill up to 20 කියලා. එතකොට මේ ටික fill කරේ නැත්තම් even though it read 20, there's no 20 cubic centimeter. It's less than that. එතකොට if you need to add 20 cubic centimeters, you have to add more because you have less. And therefore, you have to add more. Therefore, the Biuret reading will increase. Biuret reading is known as the title. Okay. ඊළඟට කියන්න බලන්න.
A student research around the chemical in DNS node. When you use the solution used in the debate, explain the effect of this mistake on the value of the title.
දැන් මොකද මේ title value එක ගැන? Rinse out the conical flask with deionized water and then you are again rinsing with the solution in the pipette. ඒක තමයි ඒක වැරදිනේ. එතකොට if you are going to wash with the pipette, මොකද වෙන්නේ? Some traces of that solution will remain. So the like you have more solution than you expect to add. Then because traces of the solution will remain in the conical flask, no. Therefore, again, title value will increase. Increase. You have to add more.
Because
to the conical flask, you need to add 25. හැබැයි wash කරපු ඉඳලා මෙතන බිංදු දෙක තුනක් ඉතුරුලා තියෙනවා. So it will be 25.1 වගේ.
Yes.
So you have to add more acid to neutralize it. Clear?
Yes.
Clear?
So can you tell the answer?
Yes. Some traces of the solution will remain in the walls of the conical flask. Some traces of the solution in the conical flask.
The title value will increase as well as the traces will increase.
Yeah. Therefore, the volume in the volume of the solution in the conical flask
Will increase.
is more than expected.
So that the volume
The volume.
of the solution, right? The solution in the conical flask is more than expected.
So the title value will increase.
Yeah. Because like you need to add more volume to like neutralize it.
Yes.
Therefore, you need to add more. What you need to add?
More acid in this.
No acid. Yes. So the title value will increase.
Can't we put base on the top and acid on the top? Base on the top, acid on the bottom.
Well, how long? Impression.
So you have so many houses.
Yeah.
You have so many.
Next topic. Next topic. Calculation from titration. Yes. Average type. Next one.
These are for games. Big Bible. These are bad.
Hurry. Next topic. Yeah.
No need to write.
What is the mean title? Meaning of the mean title?
Mean value.
Average of the concordant results.
Or else take a picture. I think I record means as class. Means
So,
is just teaching how many teachers. Doesn't turn on the video. We give again.
I thought, what is the mean title of these three? Find the mean title of these three. 22.6 plus 22.7 plus 22.65 divide by 3.
And those three and divide by
Yes.
three and divide by-
Yes.
Right.
So that is 22.65.
Yes. So we say no, right? X5 CM3.
Yes, yes, please. That's how you get it, huh? Mean title. You have to do this.
What do you know?
Okay, let's calculate the concentration now.
The result someone you can see use the data from the range. It's not. You can find the modes no, sir. Just you can write the equation, sir.
Then
NaOH. Sulfuric acid equation. NH2SO3, right? Sulfuric.
sulfamic.
Yeah, NH2.
අපි එදා කරා නේද?
Ru.Ba.
ෆෝමියුලා එක මතක නේද?
ජීව ආහාරයෙන් මතක් කරන්නේ. NH2SO3, right? Yes.
Hold on. In the sulfamic acid formula man දෙන්න. ඔයාලට මතක නැන්නේ sulfamic acid formula.
NH2SO3.
NH2SO3H. Sulfamic acid.
Because you don't need equation from your classes.
Yeah, fine. What is the answer again, Lamai?
0.08289.
No.
For concentration, yes.
You balance the equation.
Ratio is 1 to 1.
Yeah. එතකොට එහෙනම් end එක.
Okay. What's the discussion going behind?
දේශපාලන.
Can I help you?
22.65. 22.65 divided by 1000 into 0.09.
I'm in a ratio.
No, this is correct.
බලමු. ඔය බලන්න. Ta-da. Senal, what is the answer? Ashin? නැද්ද උත්තර? First step? Yes.
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 So why is it?
Yeah.
You can find the moles of sodium hydroxide. මම වැරදි එක බලලා තියෙන්නේ. So moles of sodium hydroxide concentration into volume. ආනේ. බෑනේ. We have to find the concentration of sodium hydroxide. නේ?
Yeah.
So first we have to find the moles of sulfamic acid.
Yes. 22.65 divided by 1000 into 0.0985. And then
Into 25 divided by 1000. මේක කීයද?
that is
2.23.
2.23 into 10 to the power minus 3.
ඒක තමයි මම බලලා තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට this is same as the number of moles of
NaOH.
NaOH. Hey Shan, what is the volume of sodium hydroxide?
No need to do
මේ මම ඇහුවේ ප්‍රශ්නයක්, nothing to do. I just asked the volume of sodium hydroxide used. It's given.
volume of
Sodium hydroxide. Only 3 values are given there. Out of 3 values, you have to select the volume of sodium hydroxide only. Yes, actually, that's it. In having right, okay. Then you have to divide the number of moles by volume. Square brackets represent the concentration.
Really?
Hmm.
Oh. Wow.
So how to balance the equation?
No need to balance.
It's already balanced, 1 to 1. So 25 into 10 to the power minus 3 in order to make into DM3. Yeah?
What is not balance there? You
Why
can
H2?
H2 balance.
maybe at H2, maybe at H2.
මෙයාගේ H එකක් ගන්නවනේ මෙතනට.
අර
H එක.
H හතර. H දෙක අමල් දිනා H එක.
So answer is 0.089
0.1 එක වන්න.
DM minus 3. පැන මාරු කරාට දැන් භාගෙට ලියවෙන්නේ.
You should change the tip.
Entire move.
What?
ලියවෙන්නේ භාගෙට. Okay.
You can buy a big one. Max එකකින් කරන්නේ.
Shall I erase?
You can do digital max.
Okay. හරි දාවද උත්තරේ? Next one.
The titration is down.
Be careful, write the balanced equation, balanced equation and balance the equation.
Balance already.
Equation is not
Write the
given.
equation and calculate the concentration. The sodium carbonate down. NaCO3. So these are correct. Right?
So what's the charge of carbonate? 1 or 2?
No charge. NaCO3 means.
NaCO, not Na2, right?
So Na2, right?
And then never.
We can remove
You
it.
try it.
Sir, here.
No helps.
Sir, Ani, sir.
Yes. Sodium carbonate done and then it resulted on it.
Anu
No, no.
no.
Thursday, ne?
Na0.
No, no, no.
Na2CO3, right? Ani, sir.
අනේ ඇත්තට
Welcome.
වෙල්කම් වෙල්කම්. එතනින් එහාට මන් දෙන්නම්. සන්නේ.
Dua, naik.
What?
If there come two doesn't come,
What?
it makes him.
Oh, yes.
If two doesn't come.
1.47 into 3 to the power minus 1.
Concentration?
I got 0.198.
0.198.
Did you balance it?
Yeah.
You should make it 2 times.
Yeah.
You get then 5.4 into 10 power of minus 3. Then 5.4 10 power of minus 3 divided by 27.25 into 10 power of minus 3.
Zero point 198.
Hey, Shan, what is the answer?
Message for you, Arya. How many PC is going to happen? Hi. Baby. Yeah, now today from 8 o'clock we are doing maths. 8
Even
to
the last
Tuesday. See, you do. You go there next day itself, you do. There is no specific time for it. Because of this class one, use this. So time 9 o'clock sometime. Then fully 6 hours. Sometimes 8 o'clock, sometimes 1 o'clock. Give it some time, but then I'm going to be that is the most. It's something related. Yes, okay. So after then A-level plus අපි final answer ගන්න දුන්නු මැද
Yes.
හරිනා
One hari.
මාක් සම්මන.
So balancing figure make a balance කරගන්න බැරුව ඉන්නේ. Here. Now it's balance.
okay.
I
You
go-
wrote it.
Yeah. I wrote it Na2CO3 plus So if I find, I'll let you know.
What?
1 point.
Huh?
You can think of.
ඒ අහලියෙන්.
Agadi say
ඊ අහලියෙන් නේ. නෑ ඒ අහලියෙන්.
now 3 years no now 3 years.
Okay.
I mean,
කොබාන් උත්තර
You can put 2 years.
0.054.
he's like coming from the man gold blue.
Let's give us it.
Max and now gave me did you see?
Yeah, let's give it. Okay.
He's doing unit 1 only. You can't do unit 2 so Vishnu?
Right. Yes. Okay. More.
That's the time is the most like rarest natural logarithm thing, right? Mom done that.
Google it.
Yeah, I searched like rarest element. That's the thing. It's glowing in the dark, right? Yeah,
Okay. What is the answer here?
cool, right?
2.7 into 10.
2.7 into 10 to the power of -3.
Alright.
Uranium also grows like under UV.
Then they are asking the concentration of nitric, no? So what is the moles of nitric here? So this answer into 2. 2.7 into 10 to the power -3 into 2. That is,
Sir, can we measure it?
sorry?
Can we measure it?
Divided by this.
Hey,
It's in the
moles sitting on mine, ne?
No, if concentration from like that.
Yes.
concentration power like what?
10 to the power minus.
What? Yes, concentration mind and no apparatus. We can only calculate the concentration.
Okay, if a volume is there,
Sorry?
if a volume is there, 10 to the
Volume 10 to the power -3 වලින් මම mind එක කොහොමද? 10 to the power -3 in dm3. You measured in cm3. This is a conversion.
Yeah.
So now finally the concentration is
5.4 into 10 to the power minus 3.
I think Senad, you can find the mistake here, right? 5.4 10 to the power minus 3. Divide by 27.25 into 10 to the power minus 3.
Is it the minus? Yeah. You have this fucking so this one doesn't know uranium.
Aye.
You don't know uranium? Why didn't he learn? You see, sir,
So the answer is
what are you on? Uranium 235
0.198 small dm minus 3. Are you right? එක හරි තව එකක් another one
You don't know? Don't know. So this one doesn't know uranium.
හරි මේකත් කරන්නකො.
What is that?
Okay, another one. Please don't fight. Do the question.
Even this one is doing something about
Okay, please find the answer.
I was joking because you are putting uranium.
0.89 the අයියෝ
0.098.
98 නේ 0.098 කවුරුත් නැහැ කිව්වේ පොඩි ළමයිට වගේ මේවා හදන්න වෙලා අයියෝ 1:1 ratio කිසිම කරදරයක් නැහැ so අයියෝ බීලාද you have the concentration and volume of sodium hydroxide so moles of sodium
0.098.
hydroxide is equal 25 into 0.0892 divided by 1000. This is same as the moles of HCl. And this answer divided by 22.68 into 10 to the power minus 3.
Yes.
So the answer is 0.098. Okay.
983.
Is everyone okay? Hands up. If you are okay with it. Okay, give us how does reply?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Smile.
Zoom class people. Hello? Is this clear?
Zoom class people. That's why I said I'll join. So that I was.
Taking care. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, perfect.
Who said? Where is the other guy?
Ashin, Sena, both are there. All right, one of the
Yes.
two different questions. Questions. Remember, you have a large number of homework this week.
Is it?
Yes.
We don't.
Mad.
Why yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. He wasn't paying attention. He was paying attention. He was, yeah. Then what are the questions again? I can go.
Hurry, stop.
No,
Okay, do this. Do this.
Last questions are there.
Okay, please do this.
Wasn't paying attention.
Okay, come on.
You forgot the honey inversion, no? Yes.
Yes.
Why you are
Again.
going? This is the side.
Sorry, I forgot you.
Constantly or something.
Nali, no reply at that point. Hey, why can't you speak even in the online class?
I sent through chat also. Sir didn't check that.
Gemini, why can't you talk?
Sir, like next hour work home, that's good. Now it's a feast.
Okay.
Like, it was very loud.
Don't you have these headphones?
He can speak.
It is.
But turn on the mic. Already can't hear you.
There's option to noise cancellation.
Man, come on, next week we have. No, next week no problem. Whole time.
Hey, like, can't you hear my two sons are shouting?
I will this.
Noise cancellation won't work for them.
What mistakes has the student made in the recording? Recording this. So what do you think the mistake is?
Balam. Shh. Okay, what is the mistake here? Heshan. Wait, Heshan. What is?
In the first initial user reading is different from the others.
Read the question. What mistakes has the student made recording these results?
Yes.
What is correct? You have to record it to 2 decimal places. What else? Anything else? Making a carving. Senuri? Yes. Any mistake other than that? Yes.
So,
Other than-
0.2 වලටද
ඒක තමයි වැඩි යන්නේ. Yes. The other mistake is
No.
there are no concordant results. So you can't get the average title. නිකන් අර last two එකේ average එක ලියලා තියෙන්නේ. No concordant results. These can be there in unit 2 paper as well as in unit 3 paper. And මේ පාර results ගොඩාක් හොඳයි කට්ටියගේ. දන්නවනේ.
That depends on the persons.
That depends on the exam.
So yeah, sure about this.
Bad day එකක් තියෙනවා. හරි okay okay. Okay. Okay.
paper
Let's
was
do this.
like-
Let's do this. Let's do this.
First paper, I finished in 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Okay,
So,
okay.
obviously.
Maybe the second one.
Second one. Second one was comparatively higher than the rest. So you also did what level this time?
Hey.
How many times can you do all your like same subject?
Times.
1 to 3.
3 times. Local syllabus. I mean, another thing.
As student, there's a trying to react. So you have balance and what a nice person you are. Very good.
ඔක්කොගේම එකම උත්තරේ එන්නේ මාර වෙලාවට.
Wait.
First answer. First thing is you have to record to 2 decimal points. Other thing is there are no concordant result to get the average title. එච්චර පොඩි ගානක් එන්න බෑ concentration එක no. That's wrong.
You are getting 1.225.
Yeah, for the whole.
Okay, then you multiply that by 2.41.
Yeah, 4, 5.
Yeah, 451.
Yeah.
Then you divide that by 25 to the power of -3, right? Okay, then maybe.
I get this. You want to see?
We type the same type in meaning. 0.09804.
මොකද උත්තරේ sorry
0.09804.
moles of H2SO4. Tamesh, what is the number of moles of H2SO4? అవునే 1 point.
So it will be 10 to the power minus 3.
Adi, then the moles of KOH will be half of that.
2 times.
2 times. Time is flying. No, vela gihilla nodatam. Tunath vela. Right. Then concentration will be this divided by volume 25 into 10 to the power minus 3. It's better to understand the values. Now KOH volume is this, H2SO4 volume is this, and the concentration is this. And I hope you got the answers. 0.098 again.
0.0980.
98 mole DM minus 3. Yes.
980.
Hurry.
3s.
Then Leander the integrator, then Tina hang in the
3s.
3S timing. Sorry. Oh, voice. I to convert to DM3.
After convert to the
Instead of dividing by 1000, I am writing 25 into 10 to the power minus 3.
function that
The unit. She's asking the unit. Mole DM3.
Mole DM minus 3.
Yeah.
Moles per decimeter cube.
I'm asking the meaning of DDM. You to be tough.
Then division. No? So when you subtract.
I make an equation.
Minus 3 from 0.
C equals N over V. Mole DM3. When it comes up.
Yeah.
To make 1 minute.
Or else like
Next one. Now,
X is 0.
mistakes, errors, accuracy, and precision.
Yeah, is that?
Next page. Then hang into the name, and I have to.
Mistakes in unit.
Sorry, body mistake. Hey, mistakes. Errors. Hello, sir. System error එකක් චුට්ටක් ඉන්න. Errors. Accuracy and precision. Okay. එතකොට okay. Hello.
Yes.
Can you
Yes.
concentrate?
I can.
Okay. Now, what do you think? Mistakes and errors. Same or different?
Mistakes and errors. Different. Mistakes are done by
Human.
humans.
Errors also can be.
Yeah. Mistakes
Hey, Shan.
are being careless.
මොකක්ද yes කියන්නේ?
Errors are like don't.
මේකට දෙන phone එක. Ask her to call later. Give.
Errors means like slanted.
Yes.
Miscus. Measuring is mistake.
Is mistakes and errors are same or different?
Different.
Different. Yeah. So, can you avoid mistakes or can you avoid errors?
Mistakes can be avoided.
Errors are.
Yeah, some errors can be.
Come.
Now some errors can be avoided. Now, no. Mistakes means like measuring.
හරි දැන් මම මෙහෙම කියන්න.
Errors can be slanted like.
ඔයා you are writing you are let's say you are copyright. හරිද?
Mistakes is their mistakes.
ඔව් නෑ ඔයා copyright එක ලියද්දී ඔයා copy කරගෙන යනකොට right අපි කියමු මෙහෙම මම මට වෙන දෙයක් කියමුකෝ I'm doing the copywriting let's say මම මේකම copy කරනවා Excel
Because of the apparatus you are.
train. Now what has happened?
Nothing. C is missing.
Part is missing නේ.
That is mistake.
එතකොට this is mistake.
Yeah.
හරිද? And here you have error.
Mistakes are one.
Yes. දැන් මම මේ පොඩි mistake I can avoid this mistake by being more alert.
Yes.
හරියට මේක දිහා බලන් ඔන්න ලියන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙමනේ. Okay. So the mistakes can be avoided by being more skillful. Then so in the exam, they are waiting for you
To be skillful.
to be skillful, yes, and avoid the mistakes. Mistakes. But like mistakes.
No, what is this?
Errors. What in my errors? What in?
Errors.
Right. So here some examples. Mistakes are not errors.
Yeah.
It's something that skilled operator can avoid by being careful. These are the mistakes that you can do, like that you are doing definitely in the lab. Yes. Chemist weigh a beaker on a balance without making sure the balance is start, not set to zero. Yes. The reading is on the balance could not be very different from the actual mass. So the reading should not be used. Although careless chemist may not realize this.
Yes.
Yes. Now on the Tamesh, you might do this. Student see a burette reading 27.35. Take here, 23.75. 27.35. Yes. So write down as 23.75. So this is student's mistake and nothing to do with the apparatus. Student fills a burette using a funnel and forgot to remove the funnel before adding the liquid. Yes. Now to fill the burette, oh my pen. To fill the burette, you can use a funnel.
Yes.
And you are adding the liquid to the funnel.
Yes.
If you forget to remove the funnel, what will happen?
Things will drip inside. But the surface once will drip
No.
inside and
But then,
volume will change.
during the addition, liquid in the funnel drips into the burette.
Drips.
Yes, that will happen. Enisa, you have to remove the funnel and then only you have to take the reading.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is due to the student's faulty technique. Right? Okay. So faulty technique, carelessness will lead to the mistakes.
Mistakes.
Pardon me?
Mistakes.
Right. Again, it has nothing to do with actual apparatus. දෙදස් 10 වගේ තාත්තා මට රුපියල් 5000ක් බැංකුවට දාලා තිබ්බා. ඔව් දාලා තින්නේ 50000. කවුද දාලා තින්නේ?
තාත්තා.
නෑ නෑ. එයා 5000ක් දාලා තින්නේ.
බැංකුවෙන් 5000.
බැංකුවේ එක්කෙනා එක බින්දුව කැඩින් ගහලා එන්ටර් කළා. So these are mistakes. දැන් මම මේක කාඩ් එකෙන් ගත්තා නම් මොකද මේ වෙලාවේ?
50000
තමයි මට 50000.
45,000 profit.
මට සෝරි නෑ. ඒ වගේ වැඩක් වුණා මෙතන බ්‍රාන්ච් එකෙන් එකපාර. Yes, මෙතන නිදිමතෙන් වගේ ඉඳලා මම සල්ලි දෙන්නේ නැත්නම් මම තරංග ආවා. අද දුන්න ගානට වඩා වැඩි ගත්ත ගානට වඩා වැඩි ප්‍රමාණයක් අරගෙන. ඒ කියන්නේ අර ගහලා තියෙන 50000යි 75000 දුක දීලා මට.
ඒක හොඳයි.
මම ආයෙ කියලා දුන්නා.
නෑ දෙන්නම දෙන්න.
එහෙම කරන්න ඕනේ නෑ.
පවුනි කාර්යය හරි.
එච්චේ එයාගේ පඩින් කපනවා ඒක.
ඔව්.
Simple.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Now next one, accuracy and precision. Anna. What is the difference between accuracy and precision? ඒකට ගන්න වෙන්නේ මෙන්න මේක. මේ one example එක.
Precision is measuring.
What do you have to say about ABC? Which one accurate? Which one precise? About B?
No, that's not accurate at all. A is precise. B is accurate. Since it's closer.
Yes, Anhari. If the values are closer, they are known as precise.
Yeah.
A is precise but not accurate. B is not accurate, not precise. Not precise. C, accurate and precise.
Is it precise?
Yes, they all are close. If the values are closer, precise. If the values are on the exact point, accurate. Then C, accurate and precise. Okay.
So student C is
Now then, may I make now think about student A, B, C now. Right.
thinking.
Now, which one is accurate? Which one is precise and which one is not accurate or precise? Okay, and just comment on each value. A, B, C.
Exact value was
Exact value එක තියෙනවා මෙතන තියෙනවා.
24.2 sir.
The teacher has done the practical and obtained 24.27.
Okay.
Which will assume is the correct value.
4.2 sir. Then C is accurate. C is precise.
කලබල වෙන්න එපා.
C is
Just check the values.
precise. No. A is precise.
First thing.
A is because A values are closer to each other. Look, check the average one. The average එකෙන් බලන්න එපා බං values බලන්න. Teacher works in a body and obtains an average value of 24.2 sir. Yeah. So he's asking to look at the values and say if it is precise or accurate, not correct or wrong. See, C is 20, 25, 30.
Okay, I'm going to check the values of A. 24.80 and
not accurate.
not close to the original value. 24.85 not close to the original value. 24.90 not close to the original value.
But they are precise.
24.80 not close to the original value, but they are concordant.
They are precise.
Therefore precise.
Yeah.
So A precise but not accurate.
B is not precise or
B.
accurate.
Values here and there not accurate, not precise. C
B is accurate.
okay, yes, accurate and precise. Is this clear?
It's accurate and precise both.
Ashen, Sinar, Senuri?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because that is average. Because it's average.
Yeah, it's close to the average value. නෑ මෙහෙ නෙමෙයි average එක බලන්නේ. මේ average එක නෙමෙයි බලන්න ඕනේ. මේක තියෙන average. Teachers value.
Oh, teachers
I
value.
said that අපි
20,
C වලට accurate කියන්නේ ඒකේ average එකට teacher answer.
Oh, well. Average එකකට වඩා එයාගේ values එයාගේ මේ teacher answer එක ළඟයි.
And besides because they are concordant.
Concordant. Simple. Good.
Understood now?
Now maybe student A has a title, all are concordant, but the average is higher than the correct value. So the titration be carefully done, but something about the apparatus. So responsible for the large difference. B,
The
no
correct
concordant.
terminology, what are you going to do?
Eh?
Correct terminology.
ඒගොල්ලෝ මම කියන්නේ ඒක. Right? Student B has no concordant results. C, accurate and concordant. Okay.
Check it.
මෙන්න මෙතන points එකක් ලියාගන්න. Correct terminology. Number 1. Mistakes and errors are not the same thing. අපි තාම errors ගැන කතා කරේ නෑ. We just discuss about mistakes only.
Right on the line.
Yes.
Why do we have fractions?
First 1, 2, 3
Mistakes and errors.
The same.
are not the same. ඊට පස්සේ next one. Accuracy and precision have different meanings.
Accuracy.
And precision have different meanings.
Different meanings.
And systematic and random errors.
That is the third one.
Yes. Systematic and random errors have different causes.
This was the
Yes.
systematic.
And random errors have different causes.
PAUXPS.
Okay, now you can do these questions.
Can we?
Make it. Question number 1 and 2.
Very good.
Blank time, blank time.
First one, they simply explain, like, for example, like if I say it is a mistake, how to
Then you have to say what is the mistake.
accept it. Do better not that. Yeah, that's what. What to ask if you have answer.
When the question is given, you are examining the examine. Finish.
Right, let's discuss then.
You can discuss.
Finish. Ramesh? No? Alien finish?
You could use the other ones. Yeah, no reasons. Then second one. Accurate, but not precise. Third one, accurate. Imprecise.
Second one is accurate.
First one.
First one is precise, right?
Yeah, precise.
Third one is good.
Accurate and precise. Second one is accurate but not precise. It is 26.42. 26.4 means closer to 26.50. So it is accurate, but not precise because of the different more deviation. Deviation there.
It's a, this is precise.
More deviation. Is that the problem?
Huh?
Is it more deviation?
It's like here and
So she must be
That's good. Hurry.
what's the
max square or
Right. Okay. Experimental method requires 25 pipette to be used to measure volume of liquid in different experiment. Student uses 25 cubic centimeters measuring cylinder. Explain whether the student made a mistake or has introduced random error or systematic error. Hey, Shan? Yes.
yeah.
What is the mistake?
Has used the measuring cylinder instead of a pivot, so can't measure to the nearest.
It's not accurate. Therefore, it's definitely a mistake. So you can avoid by using a pipette.
Listening to the
Reading the
yeah.
context well. Okay. Tamesh, what do you have to say about student 1? Precise. Are they accurate? Hmm?
The second
Why
one,
not accurate?
because
Teacher's value 26.5. Neither. Meaga average goes around 27.65. Okay. Student 2, Ahlian, what do you have to say about student 2?
precise, good boy.
Precise? Student 2?
No, it's accurate but not precise.
Eh?
Yeah, it is accurate. You get like 26.48, like for the this thing, but not precise. Accuracy is there, but not precise. Because like precise can equal to
Second one එක accuracy එකක් නැහැනේ.
or it's not accurate. It in 20.
Only one is accurate in second one. මෙයා විතරයි.
Yeah, but when you get the mean, you get
mean ගන්න බෑ හැම
no average is 26.
හා හා.
So
So can't it be precise further?
මේක විතරයි value එක close තියෙන්නේ.
value deviates.
So not accurate but precise. එහෙමද කියන්නේ?
Accurate,
නෑ.
but not precise.
Yes, accurate. මෙහෙම කරමු accuracy, precision. Not accurate but precise. මෙතන මොකද්ද කියන්නේ? Accurate
but
but
not
precise. මේක last one?
The correct accurate and precise.
Accurate and precise both නේ.
Yes.
හැබැයි for the second one mean එක එනවද? What is the mean?
26.48.
26.48 ගන්න ඔයා මෙයාව අයින් කරන්න එපා.
නෑ.
No,
It's
we
not-
can-
එයාවත් එක්ක දාලා
බෑ එයාවත් කොන්කොඩන් ගන්න කොහොමද? තේරුණාද? එතකොට mean එක ගත්ත වැරදි ඔයා. තේරුණාද? එතකොට නෑ කොන් ගන්න නැහැ නේ. එතකොට කොන්කොඩන් ගන්න කවුරුත් නැහැ මේකේ. Therefore this is not accurate. තේරුණාද?
And then my answer.
Not accurate, not
you didn't
precise.
calculate. You also put that and calculated and setting very correct.
I calculated that.
Yeah, well, you got 26.
Is this clear ළමයි? අශේන්? සෙනාල්? සෙනුරි?
Yes, sir.
Anashul.
Yes, sir.
අපි යමු ඊළඟ එකට. Now random error and the systematic error. Have you ever heard about random errors and systematic errors?
Yes.
What are random errors?
Earthquakes.
Then is a random error.
Systematic errors?
Systematic error means view rate ගොඩක් reading එක වැහිලා තියෙන්නේ. පේන්නේ ඇස් පේන්නේ මේ ඔය conical flask එක පොඩ්ඩක් ඔය 250 cm3 වට ඒක කොට අඩු systematic errors.
Good.
Volume.
Understand how to minimize the sources of measurement
Wait,
uncertainty in
wait,
volumetric
wait.
analysis.
මේ කොහොමද?
Page 33.
33 or 34 බලන්න. බලන්න වෙන්න බෑ. අමුණා. හරි ලියමු. Understand how to minimize the source of measurement random and systematic errors. Under random errors. Right. This is an error caused by
Go on.
this is an error caused by unpredictable changes
Earthquakes. So that is unpredictable changes, right? Earthquake.
Tampana.
conditions such as temperature or pressure. Unpredictable changes in conditions such as temperature or pressure.
At once the lab starts to burn.
එහෙම කියන්න බෑ.
Or a hot person is standing next to the reacting.
Like
No
examples.
one.
Okay. Systematic error. An error caused by the apparatus. Systematic error. Systematic error.
So what I said was correct, right?
An error caused by the apparatus. Apparatus.
Apparatus.
Apprentice.
So what I said was correct, no?
Hmm?
මේ scale එක මැකිලා 250 cm3 equal 250 cm3 නෙවෙයි.
Leads to the leads to the recorded value being either too low or too high.
An error caused by the
Apparatus
Yeah.
leads to the recorded value being either be too low or too high.
metaphorical apparatus leads to
The
The
recorded.
recorded value
Hmm.
to be
being too high or too low.
too low. Recorded value to be too low.
Or too high.
Okay. අපි යන් ඉස්සරහට.
Yes.
Here are some examples of random errors. Ahalian, can you read it out?
I can't read properly.
Aman,
I can read
You.
and errors. Here are examples of
never.
I'll read.
Ah.
Here are random errors.
Hari, okay, come on. The
Here are
volume.
examples of random errors. The volume of a gas collected in a syringe is measured in different experiments done on the same day. The atmospheric pressure and the temperature of the laboratory may vary during the day, and this will cause an unpredictable change in the value recorded.
That's a random error. You are doing the experiment at different times. It means you are getting different readings.
The mass of an object is measured using the same balance but at different times during the day. The values may differ slightly as a result of changes in temperature. What is this? Growth or condensation of water vapor on the balance span. What? That doesn't make any sense.
Sorry?
So they are saying there might be like water on the gas in
So after that not given. Yeah.
එතකොට මොකද වෙන්නේ?
This sentence should continue from some.
ඇයි?
I mean.
ඇයි දැන් මෙහෙමනේ. මොකද්ද? balance එක pan එක උඩ sometimes there may be water droplets.
That is if you cool it, no?
නෑ දැන් depend on the time of the day. උදේ පාන්දර ගිහලා මයින් එකත් මේ මයින් එකත් තියෙන්නේ mistake වගේ.
ඔව්. ඉතින් ඒක පියා ගන්නවා.
ඒක තමයි පියන්න නැතුව ගත්තොත්. නිදි මතේ කියලා Okay.
An experiment is done
Okay.
with a flask in an electric water bath. The thermostat is set to 50
What is the
degrees.
thermostat?
Thermostat means
Thermostat is the like මොකද්ද
It
will
will
control the temperature නේ.
Yeah.
දැන් මේසි එකේ තියෙන්නේ. When it go to 27 it stops.
stove.
ඊට පස්සේ when the temperature rise above 28 it starts. And again cools down up to 26 වගේ. Again
But like when you are drinking alcohol, man.
okay I understand. Okay, continue.
Explain how does that work?
Huh?
Explain how does that
අඩු විද්‍යාව
work? That is
With experience. Okay.
Okay. Ready, let's stop.
I don't know.
No need.
Continue.
That's it.
But as the heater automatically switches on, the actual temperature rises slightly above 50 degrees Celsius and then falls to slightly less than 50 degrees Celsius after the thermostat switches off.
ඊට පස්සේ how to avoid these random errors?
Repeating an experiment should lead to a more accurate final value being recorded because these random fluctuations are less important when values are averaged.
පොඩි change එකක් තමයි වෙන්නේදී. හරි. Systematic errors please.
Who's reading? Sonali. Systematic errors.
These
Here
are there in the textbook, so nothing to worry.
Here are some examples of systematic errors. A 25 cubic centimeter pipette has been wrongly calibrated during its manufacture.
Manufacture එක අවුල. Manufacture අඩියක් ගහලා manufacture අඩියක් ගහලා ඉන්න ගමන් තමයි calibrate කරලා තියෙන්නේ.
So that the graduation mark is lower than it could be. This means that no matter how carefully it is used, the volume added will always be less than 25 cubic centimeter.
ඕක මම ඉස්සරහට තියෙනවා සමහර ළමයි දතකට කාගෙන අපාගෙන දෙටම ඕක කරනවා.
ඒක වැරදි නේද?
ඒක ඉතින් අප්ලයින්ස් එක වැදෙනවා සොරනේ. එයා කො ඉතින් ඔයගේ ඒවා ඉතින් අත්‍තරම කරන්න දඟලන්න ඕනේ නෑ. just help.
Yeah.
Okay, next one.
The amount of liquid in a thermometer is more than it should be. So that the height of the liquid at all temperatures is higher than it should be. This means that the temperature recorded will always be greater than the correct temperature.
මරුනේ එහෙම වුණා.
ආර case එක.
හැම වෙලේම මුණ තමයි තියෙන්නේ. Kapan? Ah, no.
Wait, no more.
Okay, next one.
A measuring cylinder has markings on it from 0 to 10 cubic centimeters. But the diameter of the cylinder is smaller than the manufacturer intended.
Yes.
This means that when the liquid level shows 10 cubic centimeters, the volume is less than 10 cubic centimeters. Problem.
Again, diameter is less than more than large.
Large.
So the diameter is larger than it should be.
Not just diameter of cylinder is smaller than.
Yeah, it's smaller than the manufacturer.
smaller. So diameter is smaller now. Volume is
No, smaller. Diameter.
It is
Smaller, no?
Smaller.
Smaller.
how many times if you repeat using the same experiment, you are getting the same reading. Therefore, yes, Mama Arya another experiment.
Using the same
But it's wrong. Systematic error and the random error.
When recording the liquid level, the operator should view the meniscus at eye level. This diagram shows that minor variations from the horizontal can be considered as random error. If meniscus is consistently viewed from above, then the error can be described as systematic.
Moving on.
Personal.
Measurement uncertainty. We'll stop from here. Measurement uncertainty කරන්න තියෙනවා.
So I got this one.
Next week, you will be getting your results.
Every survey is also like running. Next week will be very hard. No, last time you said this week. Now it's example.
Yes.
Next week, this week.
Again, next week, next year, Sunday, Monday, next week.
No,
Today on
the week starts from Sunday.
Okay, come on. Okay,
Monday.
okay, then cover the result.